Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting adventure. Off the coast of Yemen, in a remote corner of the world, lies the warm and inviting Indian Ocean, where a group of islands stands out like no other. This is Socotra, a land shaped by the relentless forces of time, isolation, and the raw power of nature. It's a place where ancient landscapes meet extraordinary flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Socotra is like stepping into a dream, a surreal world that captivates the imagination. Its strange and beautiful creatures seem as if they've leapt straight out of a fairy tale, adding to the island's enchanting allure. Because the island is so isolated, unique species of plants and animals have evolved here, making it a living laboratory of evolution and adaptation. Its shores, kissed by the bright blue waters of the Indian Ocean, boast pristine white sandy beaches and towering cliffs that create a stunning contrast. Inland you'll discover rugged mountains, expansive dry flatlands, and lush green valleys, each harboring its own unique secrets and stories. One of the island's most iconic features is the dragon blood tree, with its umbrella-like canopy and red sap that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and dyes. The island also boasts a network of caves, some of which remain unexplored, offering a sense of mystery and adventure for those who dare to venture inside. The people of Socotra, known as the Socotri, have a rich cultural heritage and live in harmony with the island's natural environment, preserving their traditions and way of life. They are skilled artisans, creating beautiful traditional crafts that reflect the island's unique identity and history. Socotra's diverse ecosystems, from coastal mangroves to mountainous regions, support a wide range of life forms, each adapted to their specific habitat. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique biodiversity, ensuring that Socotra remains a haven for its endemic species and natural beauty. As the sun sets over Socotra, the island transforms into a tranquil paradise, a perfect end to a day of exploration and wonder. Under the starry night sky, Socotra reveals yet another layer of its magic, leaving visitors in awe of its timeless beauty. So, if you're looking for a destination that offers unparalleled natural beauty and a sense of adventure, Socotra is the place to be. Until next time, keep exploring. Socotra has been on its own for millions of years, making it a biological wonder. This isolation has allowed the island to develop a unique ecosystem, unlike any other place on Earth. The island's flora and fauna have evolved in splendid isolation, resulting in a high level of endemism. This means that many of the species found here are not found anywhere else in the world. Being separate from Arabia for so long, the islands have developed their own special plants and animals. The island's isolation has created a natural laboratory for evolution, where species have adapted to the unique conditions of the island. This has resulted in a rich biodiversity that is both fascinating and fragile. The island is home to over 700 species of plants, of which more than a third are endemic. This means many of them are only found on Socotra. The island's unique environment has allowed these species to thrive, but it also means they are vulnerable to changes. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect this unique biodiversity. The island's flora includes the famous dragon's blood tree, the bottle tree, and the cucumber tree, each with its own unique adaptations. Over a third of the plants there are unique. This high level of endemism makes Socotra a treasure trove for botanists and nature enthusiasts. The island's plant life is not only unique but also incredibly diverse, with species that have adapted to the harsh conditions of the island. The dragon's blood tree, for example, has a distinctive umbrella shape that helps it survive in the arid environment. It's a paradise for plant lovers and anyone who loves nature. The island's unique landscapes and rich biodiversity attract researchers and tourists from around the world. Exploring Socotra is like stepping into a different world, where every turn reveals something new and fascinating. The island's natural beauty and unique ecosystems make it a must-visit destination for nature lovers. One of the most famous plants is the dragon's blood tree, shaped like an umbrella. This iconic tree is not only a symbol of Socotra but also a testament to the island's unique biodiversity. The dragon's blood tree has a long history of use in traditional medicine and art, thanks to its distinctive red sap. Its red sap, called dragon's blood, has been used for medicine and art for a long time. The sap is known for its healing properties and has been used in traditional remedies for centuries. It is also used as a dye and in various artistic applications, making it a valuable resource for the local communities. You'll also find the bottle tree with its fat trunk perfect for dry weather. This tree is adapted to the arid conditions of Socotra by storing water in its swollen trunk, allowing it to survive long periods of drought. The bottle tree is another example of the island's unique flora and its ability to thrive in challenging environments. And the cucumber tree, with its strange, spiky fruit. This unusual tree is yet another example of Socotra's unique biodiversity. Its spiky fruit is a distinctive feature that sets it apart from other trees on the island. The cucumber tree, along with the dragon's blood tree and the bottle tree, highlights the incredible diversity and adaptability of Socotra's plant life. Socotra's specialness isn't just about plants. It's also home to cool reptiles, birds, and insects, many found only here. The Socotra chameleon changes color to hide in the rocks. The Socotra sparrow, with its special feathers, is a symbol of the island's delicate environment. Underwater, coral reefs are full of colorful fish, while dolphins and whales swim in the deeper ocean. Socotra's sea life is as amazing and as threatened as its land animals and plants. Because it's so important, Socotra became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2008. This shows how special it is and how much we need to protect it. The people of Socotra are part of the island's magic. Their presence is woven into the very fabric of this unique place, making it a living, breathing testament to human resilience and cultural richness. For a long time, a small community has lived there, mostly separate from the rest of the world. This isolation has allowed them to preserve their unique way of life, untouched by the rapid changes of modern society. Their villages, often nestled in the island's rugged terrain, are a testament to their ability to adapt and thrive in harmony with nature. The Socotra people take care of this special island. They understand the delicate balance of their ecosystem and work tirelessly to protect it. Whether it's cleaning the beaches, planting trees, or caring for the unique flora and fauna, their efforts are a labor of love and respect for their homeland. Their customs, language, and way of life are connected to the land. Traditional ceremonies passed down through generations are not just rituals but a way to keep their history and identity alive. Speaking in their native language Socotra, they share stories, songs, and wisdom that have been preserved for centuries. They are great fishermen, sailing in their traditional boats. These boats, crafted with skills handed down through generations, are more than just a means of livelihood. They are a symbol of their connection to the sea, a vital part of their culture and survival. They are also herders, with their goats and sheep eating the island's plants. The herders lead their livestock across the island, ensuring that they graze in a way that supports the environment. This sustainable practice has been honed over centuries, demonstrating their deep understanding of the island's ecology. They are tough and know how to adapt, living in balance with nature for centuries. Whether navigating the rugged terrain, collecting water from scarce sources, or farming in challenging conditions, their resilience is remarkable. They have developed ingenious methods to make the most of their environment, ensuring their survival and prosperity. Their language, Socotra, is very old, like a time capsule. It holds within it the history and culture of the Socotra people, passed down orally through generations. The elders, as keepers of this linguistic treasure, play a crucial role in teaching the younger generations, ensuring that their heritage is not lost. Their music, often played with the oud, shows the island's spirit. The melodies and rhythms are a reflection of their connection to the land and sea, a celebration of their identity. Music brings the community together, whether during festivals, ceremonies, or everyday life, reinforcing their bonds and shared heritage. Socotra's isolation, once its protector, is now being challenged. The world is noticing its beauty, bringing both good things and bad. Tourism can bring money, but it can also hurt the environment and culture. Balancing growth and protection is tough for many islands. Finding oil and gas nearby also worries people about the sea. Wanting to be richer can be dangerous if it hurts Socotra's delicate environment. Money from other countries, especially the UAE, has led to new roads, airports, and hotels. These can help the economy, but they can also change the island too much. Socotra's delicate balance is in danger. Climate change is causing strange weather, like more droughts and storms. Too many goats eating plants, animals that don't belong there, and taking too much dragon's blood are all hurting the island. If we don't do anything, bad things will happen. Losing special plants and animals, a damaged environment, and people losing their homes are all real dangers. Everyone needs to help protect Socotra. This means giving money and help, promoting good tourism, and teaching people how special the island is. Socotra's future depends on finding a good way forward, helping the people, and protecting nature. Helping local communities is key. They are the real protectors of Socotra, supporting their traditions, giving them education and healthcare, and letting them make decisions are important. Good tourism, done carefully and respectfully, can bring money without hurting things. Using solar and wind power can help Socotra rely less on oil and gas and fight climate change. Socotra is a magical place, showing the power of nature and how tough life can be. It sparks our imagination and makes us feel awe. This amazing island, a jewel of the Indian Ocean, deserves our love, respect, and protection. Its future is uncertain, and what we do now will decide what happens. Let's be like the Socotra people, who have lived with nature for so long. Let's learn from them and work together to keep Socotra beautiful and special for everyone in the future. We need to act now. Socotra's future depends on all of us. We must speak up for Socotra. We must tell our leaders to protect this special place, support groups that are working to save Socotra's plants and animals, learn about the island and tell others how important it is. Travel responsibly, don't hurt the environment, and support the local people. Together, we can make sure Socotra stays amazing for a long, long time.